Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my videos for the first time, then you need to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get more updates. Yeah, let me start up today's class. Multiplication by series of 1. What exactly is the multiplication we have to do and how this series of 1 will help you to solve the problem. Let's start solving the problem. Example number 1. Here you have some of the question there. 23 into 11. This is a 2-digit number. With this, how this multiplication we have to do within a fraction of seconds in a single step. Usually to do the multiplication we used to do the 2-step multiplication and third step we used to get the answer for 2-digit number. But in the multiplication by series of 1, how we have to do this multiplication in a single step to get the answer. See, first step, multiply these two numbers. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Next, these two numbers you have to do add. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 2 ones are 2. These two numbers you have to multiply. 2 ones are 2. Within a single step you can get the answer. This is how the Vedic maths will help you to learn the concepts. Then example number 2. 64 1 1 1 in a sense is a series of 1. Don't get confused there. 1 is 4 1 are 4. 4 1 are 4. These two numbers you have to multiply. Step 2. Step 2 in the sense the next two digit. What number has to be in the tens place? 6 plus 4. These two numbers you have to do addition. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 you will get. Only you have to write 0. This one has to be taken carry. And these two numbers, that's the procedure. 6 ones are 6 and this carry you have to do addition. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. See, within a single step you will be getting the answer. How this multiplication by series of 1 will help you in solving 2-digit number. Now let me discuss how we have to do the multiplication for 3-digit number by using series of 1. Example number 1. 421 into 111. This is a 3-digit number. How you have to do the multiplication for 3-digit in a single step? See, first step, first number you have to write as it is 1. Next step, in 2-digit, how we have done the addition? Same procedure to be followed. 2 plus 1. These two numbers you have to add. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next step, step 3, to get the 100 place number, you have to do addition. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. This 7 you have to write here. Then third step. The fourth step. To do the fourth step, you have to remove this. Only these two numbers you have to do addition. 2 digits. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next, you remove this arrow. Only you have to take this number. 4 ones are 4. See, within a single step you can get the answer. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.